Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we're going to talk about parts of circles. The circle shown has a circumference of 144 pi. The length of minor arc AB is x pi. What is the value of x? So the information given is 144 pi and x pi in the question. And we got 10 degrees over here. Here's x pi, by the way. Now, what we also know is that a whole circle is 360 degrees, right? This is a simple thing. We all know that. Now we're gonna create an equation. 10 degrees over 360 degrees equals to x pi over 144 pi. And then we're going to simplify this because we want to make it as easy as possible, which is 1 over 36 equals to x pi over 144 pi. The pi's cancel each other out. So what we got left is 1 over 36 equals to x over 144. Now we're going to do a cross multiplication. 1 times 144 is 144. Equals to 36 times x is 36x. Now we're going to divide both sides by 36 to leave x alone. Give me a second. So x equals to 4. This is the solution to this given question for the digital SAT math. If you have any questions, comment down below, and I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up. Thank you.